Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a mushroom pendant at home using silver clay. If you're curious about silver clay jewelry making, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. For today's project, we'll be using 10 grams of silver clay. First, knead your silver clay well with your hands. This helps remove air bubbles and evens out the moisture. Then, gently shape it into a mushroom form. If you're worried about the clay drying too quickly, I recommend practicing first with a little Play-Doh. It's a great way to get comfortable with the shape. Once you've formed your mushroom, use a craft knife or razor blade to carve lines on the surface and bottom to add some texture and detail. After shaping, let the piece dry naturally for one full day. Then, lightly sand the surface with a sanding sponge. Use a needle tool to mark a small hole at the top, and carefully drill through with a hand drill. Finally, attach a fire-safe silver bail so it's ready to wear. Because the mushroom is solid, it's very important to make sure it's completely dry inside before firing. Otherwise, it may crack or burst. You can use a hairdryer, cup warmer, or toaster oven to help with drying. For this project, we used kiln firing at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you're using a gas stove, please check out our gemstone ring tutorial for detailed firing instructions. After firing, brush off the white layer with a steel brush to reveal the clean, shiny silver underneath. To bring out even more detail, you can patinate the mushroom pendant in a liver of sulfur solution mixed with water. The soaking time depends on the strength of your solution. Always use tweezers or gloves, since the solution can irritate skin. Once the piece darkens, take it out and gently polish the surface with a silver cloth or polishing stick to highlight the details. And just like that, you've got your adorable little mushroom pendant. Here are a few quick tips to help you get the best results. First, apply a small amount of lotion to your hands before working with silver clay. This helps prevent fingerprints and stickiness. Second, try practicing with Play-Doh first before working with your silver clay. Third, always make sure your piece is fully dry before firing. If you'd like to try silver clay jewelry making, check out our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop. We've got beginner-friendly kits that include all the basic tools you'll need. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell for more tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. We'd also love to see your creations, or hear what projects you'd like us to share next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!